If you ask me to start a new channel today on YouTube, I would definitely start with a meditation channel. Why? Well, for the simple reason that it's one of the easiest channels to start, grow, and monetize here on YouTube. In this video, we are going to be looking at one of the methods of using this weird niche to make money on YouTube. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, we are going to be looking at how you can start making money on YouTube in the meditation niche. I'll be showing you examples of how much some channel owners in this niche are actually making. And if you stay to the end of this video, I will show you how easy it is to make and monetize these types of videos. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making monies with the videos you upload on YouTube, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now, today we are going to be talking about the meditation niche on YouTube. Now, if you do a simple YouTube search for the term meditation music, YouTube will give you dozens of channels making meditation videos with hundreds of thousands of views and subscribers, some even as many as millions of subscribers. Let's just start by taking a look at some of the search results here when we filter the results by channels. Now, if you take a look at this meditation channel here, for example, you see that you don't need to know anything about meditation to be able to start and grow a meditation channel. As you can see here, there is nothing outstanding in this video. It's just a basic meditation music sound in the background and a motion image, both of which you can get online for free. There are many free royalty sounds you can get online, including the free royalty sounds that YouTube is offering video creators. For motion images like these, you can get them from free image sites like Pixels or Pixabay. Now, how much can a channel like this be making? Well, according to the stats on Social Blade, this channel, for example, is making between $3,000 to $50,000 a month, and that money is made just from YouTube ads alone. The channel also makes over $37,000 to $500,000 estimated yearly earnings, which is not bad for just making meditation videos. Now, I know, of course, this channel is an old channel, and as with time, build a certain number of followings and is making this type of amount. Although all that may be true, there is really nothing to lose here, especially when you come across channels that have less than 20 videos but are generating tons of views and subscribers. And again, if you look at the videos on this channel, you'll see that they are all almost the same. Basically, a meditational audio in the background and a motion image all put together using a video editor of some kind. The truth is, if you want to make this type of meditational videos yourself, you don't actually need any high-paying equipment. All you really need to look for is a royalty-free music, which, as I've already mentioned in this video, you can get it from the free audios on YouTube. Of course, you need to have a YouTube channel created before you can get to your YouTube audio library. Now, to get to the YouTube audio library, click on your channel profile picture and from the drop-down options, select Channel Studio. On your Channel Studio page, click on the audio library option here on the left side below, and you'll be redirected to the YouTube audio library. As you can see, YouTube itself says here that you can browse and download free music for your project. Then they go on to say here that you can use any of these audio tracks in any of your videos. So, because this is coming from YouTube itself, you can be sure of using any of the audios here with no problems. Now, if you want to make a search for calm sounds, for examples, you have a whole list of calm meditation audios that you can use to create your own unique meditation videos. You can listen to any of these audios by clicking on the play button here and download it by clicking on the download icon here. So, where do you go to get motion images to use in your videos? Well, again, if you make a search for motion backgrounds in Pixels, for example, you get tons of free motion images that you can use. Now, to put your selected audio and motion image together, you will need a video editor. There are many online video editors you can use. Take WeVideo for example. You can sign up with WeVideo using any of these options. After logging in, you can click on the Create New Video option and select the horizontal option here. Then click on the Start Editing button below. That will now take you to this video editor where you can import your downloaded audio by clicking on this import option here and then drag and drop your audio file in this pop-up box. After your audio file has been imported, you want to do the same with the motion image file. Now on the left side here, you'll see these different timelines of video files and audio files. Simply drag and drop each of the files on their respective timelines, and then you want to go ahead and add any text on the video screens by using this text feature here. You can use any of these text motion templates to make your video text more engaging. Now, there is actually not much to do next other than trying to match the length of your audio file and your image file together. You can also add an intro or an outro to make your video stand out, but basically, this is all you need to do. Now, video here is just an example of a video editor. If you already have a video editor that you are used to using, well, you can use that. There are many different types of video editors you can use. I personally use Sony Vegas for editing my channel videos, so any basic video editor will work just fine for this strategy. Now, how can you go about monetizing these types of videos on YouTube? Well, since you'll be uploading these videos on YouTube, you can keep on adding more videos to grow your channel. When your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which as you have seen is easy to get with the meditation videos, YouTube will enable your channel for ads monetization. Now, while this can be a good source of side income, I actually recommend a different way or an additional way of making money on YouTube even before reaching the YouTube monetization requirements. You can start making money on your small channel on YouTube from day one by promoting digital products. Digital products here can be online courses, meditation audio files, and even PDF ebooks. You can actually make a lot of money per 1,000 views by promoting digital products than you will make with YouTube ads revenue alone. And the best part is, you don't have to create the digital product yourself. You can promote other people's digital products through marketplaces like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, or Market Health. Take this meditation channel for example. In the description box of each of these channel videos, there is a link to this page where viewers can buy this meditation MP3 digital download collection. You, on the other hand, you can lead your viewers to a product like this, which you easily find on ClickBank. So, as you can see, you can start a meditation channel like this and start making money from it in no time. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.